Mastering a clock, your ticket to telling time in English. Hello learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of telling time in English. Specifically, we'll learn about a very important term, a clock. This little word is a crucial part of telling time, and once you master it, you'll be one step closer to fluent English conversations. A clock is a term used to specify the time on the hour. For instance, if the time is exactly 1 hour, we say it's 1 o'clock. It's that simple. The term, a clock, comes from the phrase, of the clock, as in, one of the clock, but over time it was shortened and now we simply say, a clock. It's only used when there are no minutes past the hour, so for example, you wouldn't say, 1:30 o'clock, you would just say, 1:30. Let's see how we can use a clock in sentences. Example 1. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Example 2. Our English class starts at 9 o'clock. In both examples, the time referred to is exactly on the hour, with no minutes added. To differentiate between morning and evening, we often use AM and PM with a clock. AM is used from midnight until noon, and PM is used from noon until just before midnight. For example, I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock AM. The movie starts at 8 o'clock PM. We've just unlocked a crucial part of telling time in English, a clock. Remember, it's used to specify the exact hour, and is commonly paired with AM and PM to distinguish between day and night. Keep practicing this in your daily conversations, and soon it'll become second nature to you. As always, keep learning, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more about English time vocabulary. Happy learning!